In the section formula, we are taking 3 points in the xy plane. One point is x1 comma y1. The middle point, the intersecting point is x comma y, and B point is x2 comma y2. Suppose we are taking B point is intersection in the interior in the ratio of m1 and m2. That is nothing but the distances in the divides, the P point divides the AB line in the ratio m1 and m2 distance. In this, just we can take in the coordinate geometry how the lengths of the adjacent side and opposite side of the first triangle and the second triangle is, suppose we are taking it is L, it is M. In the PLA triangle and BMP triangles, both are right angle triangles. In this, by the relation of the coordinate geometry, if this is a point with the x from the x-axis to A point is x1 distance, from y-axis to A point is y1 distance. So this is y1, it is x1. In the same way, P is a point x comma y means this point is intersect or the distances from the x-axis to P point, from the y-axis to P point is, the distance is, y distance is y and x-axis distance is x. So here we can find out this distances is x minus x1 is the AL distance. This AL distance is x minus x1. And in the same way, PL distance is y minus y1. This is the right angle triangle of PLA. In the same case, in the triangle BMP, the distance of the B point x2 y2 means from x-axis the distance is B point, that is y2 distance. From the y-axis, B point is x2 distance. So here the distance of BM is y2 minus y and PM is x2 minus x. Here by observing these triangles PLA and triangle BMP are right angle triangles. Right angle triangles. Suppose if we can take the P is the intersecting point, that is the section point on the AB line with the ratio of M1 and M2 means if we can take AP distance by PB distance, that is nothing but here we are taking two right triangles. Here A, P, L, P, B, M. This side is proportional to this side. Why? Because the angle that is equal to, it is M1, it is M2. And again PL by BM, it is equal to LA by MP. That is nothing but here AP by BP is M1 by M2 is equal to PL is Y minus Y1 by BM is Y2 minus Y is equal to AL is X minus X1 by X2 minus X1. Now we are equating these two, first two terms and the last two ratios. Okay, here we are equating the first ratio and the second ratio, and also first ratio and third ratio. Here, by the cross multiply, m1 into y2 minus y1 equal to m2 into y minus y1. Here, m1 y2 minus m1 y1 equal to m2 y minus m2 y1. These two are y1 terms taking to right side. Y2 minus y. Sorry. Y2 minus y, x2 minus x. So m1 into y2 minus y equal to m2 into y minus y1. Then m1 y2 minus m1 y equal to m2 y minus m2 y1. This is taking to left side, it is taking to right side. Then it is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 is equal to m2 y plus m1 y. Here we can take the common y into m1 plus m2. Then it is m1 y2 plus m2 y1. From this, we can write y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the y coordinate value. From this, here m1 into x2 minus x equal to m2 into x minus x1. Then distribute m1 x2 minus m1 x equal to m2 x minus m2 x1. And the x terms one side, this is taking to left side, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 equal to m2 x plus m1 x. X is taking common, m1 plus m2 equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1. Then x coordinate value is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. This is the x coordinate value. Therefore, P point is P point is equal to x comma y is equal to, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 is the internal point of on the AB line with the ratio m1 is m2, where A point is equal to x1 comma y1 and B point equal to x2 comma y2. This is the very important definition, that is the section formula. In this, in your standard, only internal point is involved. In the next standard, the external point is also will come in the intermediate. Okay. Here suppose a line is divides in the equidistant P point with A and B. The equal distance means that is 1:1, then it is said to be the midpoint. P is the midpoint. Then just you can apply in the place of M1 is equal to 1, M2 equal to 1. Then you are getting, it is the note, let AB is a line on this, P is a midpoint of AB, then P coordinates are P is equal to x comma y equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. It is very, very important. Okay. If they have given 2 points on the line, then we can find out the midpoint on that line. Means you can take the coordinates mean. Coordinates mean is the point on the AB line, which is called as midpoint. Okay. Trisectional points of a line is nothing but the points P and Q points divide a line segment. AB is a line segment into 3 equal parts. AP is the one part, PQ is the one part, QB is the one part. 3 equal parts are said to be the trisectional points. Here, suppose P is a point, we can find out x comma y. Q is a point, A comma B. When we can find, in that case, we are using AP ratio BP can be in the ratio of 1:2. In that, P point is equal to x comma y is equal to, we can take here B point is x2, y1. Here M1 ratio M2 is equal to 1:2. Here M2 y1, that is 2 x1 plus 1 x2 by 2 plus 3, 1 is 3. In the same way, 2y1 plus y2 by 2 plus 1 is 3. Here it is the P point. Similarly, here AP ratio and AQ ratio and QB ratio is in the ratio of 2:1. Here we can take M1, M2. We can apply this is in the sectional formula. Then we are getting Q point is equal to A comma B equal to M1 x2. That is 2x2 plus M2 x1. That is 1 x1 by 2 plus 1 is 3. In the same way, 2y2 plus y1 by 2 plus 1 is